Hello, here is Baby Walker. Today we will be making the floral decoration, the candlestick for a Christmas in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. First we need a container. It could be glass or any other container. Then we need a floral foam full of water. We need this spruce or fir twigs. We also need these pine cones and this decoration sticks, silver sticks. You could do it by your own using the fake snow in spray or decorative snow, or you can buy it in a shop. There are a lot of them. Of course, you also need a candle, and actually this is all ingredients and materials that you need. More foam for putting this candle higher in the container depending on the height of the container. So let's get started. First you need to put this floral foam, then cones, pine cones all around to hide this this foam from the inside. So it is a transparent vessel, so it not be able to see this inside. So you put this all around, then you can mix it with other decoration. As you know, it's full of your invention. Here is the Anna invention of this decoration. So putting all these things together, then we take this twigs of fir or spruce. The fir, if I remember, or spruce, I don't even remember, which is exactly what's the name. So you are putting it around, of course, punching inside this floral foam to be more fresh and not to, dry and die. So all this all around you need to stick in this foam by pressing it. It's simply just holding there. Then we put some these decorational sticks, silver sticks. You can do it by your own or you can buy it. It doesn't matter. If you finish it, you could add some additional decorations. And how to treat the candle. You take some kind of material. It could be a needle or it could be whatever it is, and you put it on the candle and then put into floral foam. This will ensure that it will be holding tight inside. This example is a little bit too short. It should be a little bit, longer to hold it in a proper height. Of course, it could be a needle, a nail, whatever you have, or just a piece of metal. So you are putting all these things together, and the finishing, and after all, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a little bit too light, too short for this holding, because it's collapsing. But if you explore it and not be shaking it very much, it will be okay. The trick at the end, you could take a stick, take some decoration from a Christmas tree, and put this also at some at the ending of your arranger. So this is how it looks, this floral arrangement with candlestick, actually, a Christmas candlestick. So happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and this is all for now. Thanks for watching. It was BB Walker and Anna in a house. See you later.